Hey guys, where's Ronnie the goose? The one-legged goose. I hope you didn't shun him. He's a good boy. Just trying to survive. How you doing? God's creations. My buddies. The geese and the ducks. The geese. The ducks. I'm watching where I'm going at the same time as I'm trying to do a good job filming. Yeah. I'm watching. I know that wouldn't be very attractive if I smell like bird poop. Hey, where's Ronnie? I don't see him yet. He might be in the pond. How he's doing? God bless you. God bless us, everyone. Comical. Go ahead.